The Future of Authority by Dollar discusses the problem of authority, why people obey or follow someone or something, and how it has changed in modern times. Dollar starts with Hannah Arendt, who said authority has vanished from the modern world. We can only speak of it in the past tense, but the author points out that people have always felt authority was in crisis. Plato thought the same. What is new in modernity is not just mourning lost authority, but also celebrating its decline as liberation from hierarchy and obedience. Authority, however, has not truly disappeared. It lives on as a haunting, uneasy afterlife. Arendt defined authority as something between force, violence, and reason, that is, persuasion. Authority is neither pure violence nor pure logic. This makes it tricky. The Enlightenment, led by Kant, tried to replace all false authorities with the authority of reason alone. Kant said, have courage to use your own understanding, but can reason justify itself? Why does authority keep coming back? The author gives two examples. First, Freud met a populist anti Semitic mayor in a cave. This showed the rise of a new kind of false authority, populism, that reason could not easily defeat. Freud still trusted the soft voice of reason, but history showed reason can be ignored. Second, the modern university, Humboldt model, promoted knowledge for its own sake. But knowledge never became pure authority. It was controlled by markets, profit, and power. Students in 1968 criticized universities both for being isolated ivory towers and for serving the economy. Dollar argues that there is no easy way out. We cannot separate good authority from bad authoritarianism, like having caffeine free coffee. Authority always involves something risky that exceeds reason. The real problem is not the loss of authority, but the loss of politics, the space for public debate and antagonism. Today we have more information than ever, yet less shared truth. The pandemic showed this clearly. Scientific knowledge was effective, but implementing it was a political problem, not a medical one. Many governments ignored or twisted the science. Dollar says authority is neither past nor fully present. It is a task for the future. We cannot rely on knowledge alone to defeat false authorities. Instead, we need to reinvent emancipatory politics, a politics of struggle and public reason. This is urgent and difficult, but necessary. Authority is not something to simply restore or reject. It is something we must critically engage with, knowing it will always carry risk and ambiguity.